Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 12 Cumulative Assessment Teaching Schedule. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab accounting, MyLab finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First, we will click on enable editing button. So we will moving on the assignment. Exp25. First, we will select this title. Then I will increase the font size of this title. So I will highlight this title. You can read easily in my video. Exp25 Excel Chapter 12 Cumulative Assessment Teaching Schedule. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. So moving on question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel. Okay, first we will select this complete instruction file. Then I will increase the font size of this instruction file for a proper view in my video. Okay, so moving on, question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel chapter 12 Cumulative Assessment Teaching Schedule XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson MyItLab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Okay. I am going to opening my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. You can download this easily from your school, college and Pearson MyItLab dashboard portal. This is my Excel workbook. Okay, so we will move on next question of this assignment. You can see first this is my Excel workbook. So the next question of this assignment is question number 2. Question number 2 is that clear all data validation in the range A1 to G19. So we will select first this range A1 to G19. Okay, we will select this range A1 to G19. So we will clear all data validation. Go to the data tab. Okay, in the data tools group, click on data validation. Click on clear validation. Sorry. Go to the data validation button. Click on clear all. So click on OK button. Data validation will be clear in this range. So we will move on. Next question is question number 3. Delete the sample text in cell B2. We will click on cell B2 and then we will delete the sample text. Click on cell B2. Simply we will delete this text. Okay. So the next is that question number 4. Enter teaching schedule in cell B1. We will copy this text teaching schedule. So we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell B1 and then we will enter teaching schedule in cell B1. Okay. Click on cell B1. We will have to enter a teaching schedule. We will type teaching schedule 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 in cell B1. Okay. So next is that enter prepared by in cell F1. We will click on cell F1 and then we will enter prepared by. Okay, this is the question number 5 of this assignment. So simply we will copy this prepared by. We will go to cell F1. Okay, go to cell F1 and we will type prepared by in cell F1. Okay. The next question of this assignment is question number 6. Delete the value in cell G1. Simply we will click on cell G1. So we will delete the value in cell G1. Okay. Click on cell G1. Simply we will delete this text value. So moving on, next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is that Add the following comments in cell G1 enter name. Simply we will click on cell G1 and then we will have to add the following comments. Enter name. Click on cell G1. Go to the review tab. In the comments group, click on new comment button. So we will have to add the following comments in cell G1. Enter name. Okay, click on the run. This is good. So moving on, next question of this assignment is question number 8. I have done 7 questions so far. Please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Question number 8 is that enter Monday in cell C4 and use the fill handle to fill the range D4 to G4. Okay, with the remaining days of the week. Simply we will enter Monday in cell C4. Click on cell C4. We will have to enter a Monday in cell C4. Monday. Okay, so the next is that use fill handle to the range D4 to G4. Use fill handle to the range D4 to G4. Okay, you can see this name Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay. So we will move on. Next point is question number 9. The question number 9 is that use the document inspector to inspect the document, remove document properties and personal information, and then click or select close. Simply, you can read this question first. The first point of this question is that use the document inspector to inspect the document. Okay, we will go to the file. In the info, go to the check for issues, inspect document, click on yes button and then simply click on inspect. Remove document properties and personal information and click or select close. Okay, simply we will remove. Okay, click on inspect. Give me a second. Document properties and personal information, remove all. Click on reject and simply close this. Okay, this question is done now. You can see I have done 9 questions of this assignment so far. Total question of this assignment is 18. I have done 70% of I have done 90% of this assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, sorry, I have done 70 to 80% of this assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses on MyItLab, Pearson, Sandgate, Mintap, MC Grail, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. I am handling many student courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Web Development, and many more online courses. I will do and I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.